Do you need a fun way to say thank you? Well, I have a cool gift card holder for you. Hey everybody, I'm Nick from thebeardedhousewife.com, the blog and the YouTube channel that shows you simple ways to craft your house into a home. Today I have a really fun thank you gift card holder. They are a pop-up card that has a little slot in it to hold the gift card, and you can mail them out. They're really fun. I love the way that they look. The little bee on the front is so cute. We always have reasons to say thank you, right? And who doesn't love to receive a gift card? I know I do. I actually would prefer that than a gift. Well, actually that's not true. But I do like gift cards. So let's head on over to my blog. I'll show you how to get the free file, and then we can get started making it. Okay, here we are at my blog, thebeardedhousewife.com. We're going to head to the Resource Library tab. If you don't have access to my file library, you can click Get Access. You'll fill out a form and then you'll be emailed a password. But for now, we're going to go to Enter the Library. Type in the password and hit Enter, and you're brought to the files. You are going to want to scroll to number 78 in the file library. That is the Thank You for Being You card. Click that hyperlink, download it to your computer. Once you unzip the file, you can open up Design Space. And now we have a new project opened in Design Space. So we're going to go to Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto the computer, and hit Upload. Highlight the image, and then click Insert Image. It'll bring the project into our canvas. And you can see that I have everything set for you, score lines and all that, except for one thing. So you're going to want to ungroup the image and then highlight this top group. This is our sentiment layer. We're going to want to convert that to a print and cut by selecting Flatten. You'll see that it says Print and Cut now instead of Basic Cut. Now you can head to Make It, and you can see the print and cut layer along with all the other ones that are needed for our project. There are 10 total, but don't worry, there are lots of little bits. Go ahead and click Continue. Click Send to Printer, and then print off your print and cut image. Make sure that Add Bleed is selected. And then you can select your material. For this tutorial, I am using medium cardstock. And I always set my pressure to more. Now we can go ahead and get everything set up and get started cutting. For this project, we're going to need our green standard grip cutting mat, our selection of cardstock, our print and cut image, a scoring wheel or scoring stylus, Cricut scraper, glue, and some adhesive. I'm going to go ahead and get everything on my mats and cut out, and I will see you when everything's all done. Okay, everything's been cut out. It's time to go ahead and start assembling this card. So first things first, let's build our little bee and the inlay layer. I'm going to start by gluing together the sentiment. Flip over that print and cut sentiment layer. Add a little bit of glue to the back. And then place that on top of the backing. There we go. Set that to the side. Let's go ahead and work on the bee now. Get this out of the way. So the little yellow bee goes on top of the black portion. Add glue to the back of the yellow layer. Place that on top of the black layer. And now we can go ahead and finish adding all the different embellishments to the bee. And he is done, or she. Alright, now let's take our inlay layer. We're going to add both the bee and the sentiment to it. So I'm going to start with the bee. Add glue to the back. Place the little bee however you want it to be, at an angle where the wings are parallel with the bottom of the card. It's totally up to you. I kind of like to make it look like it's flying a little bit. And now I'm just going to add glue to the backing of the sentiment layer and then place that next to the bee. There we go. Let's set that to the side to dry. Now we can take the outer card layer and fold along the score line. Take our Cricut scraper and press the fold. Wasn't folding crisp enough, so that's why I'm doing that back and forth. There we go. Now we can do the pop-up layer. You're going to be doing some pinching and folding. This is how the pop-up should look when you have it all folded. Those little tabs pop up right there. See from the side how it looks. Go ahead and fold this completely flat and then press it with your scraper to make sure that it folds nice and crisp. Alright, now we can take some adhesive and add that to one side of the pop-up. Make sure that you have the right side in the right area. Go ahead and line everything up. And press it. Now you can add adhesive to the other side of the pop-up. And then I start from the center and then push up and then out. There we go. And there is our pop-up portion of our card. We can go ahead and add the inlay layer onto the front of the card. Add some adhesive. Make sure that you line everything up. And press it down. There we go. Alright, let's do the envelope really quick. You're going to fold along the score lines. Press all of the folds with your Cricut scraper. Now you can take some adhesive or glue and add that to the side flaps. Bring up the bottom flap and press it into place, and this will form your envelope. Okay, and then now we can take our gift card, just open it up, and the card fits right into those little slots. You can add your sentiment right here. Folds nice and flat, and it is ready to give. Aren't those easy? I love that little bumblebee. He's just so cute. I hope that you guys like this, and I hope that you do make it. If you like this video, make sure that you hit like and subscribe so you know every time that I come out with a new video. Head on over to my blog, thebeardedhousewife.com. I have lots of other card tutorials, so make sure that you go and check it out. Until next time, I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see everybody later. Bye.